They call this the birthplace of the blues, but it's also the home of an empire built on King Cotton, where the money left long ago. Now, we are drowning on dry land. They cut off our drinking water and let the raw sewage run cold in the ditches where our babies play. Listen close to the canary in the coal mine. Welcome to the poorest state, where the struggle is deep and the system's got promises that it never could keep. 19.4% poverty rate, the lowest median household income in the United States. 27.5% child poverty lines, 37.8% black populations by design. 22 counties stuck in persistent decay, 28 majority black zones turned away. Look at Holmes County, Lexington at the base, the poorest county in the poorest state. In the place, Quitman County, population declining, Marx's no trade. Claiborne County, 88% black in delay. Sunflower County, Indianola, where B.B. King played, still poor while the infrastructure continues to fade. Tallahatchie holding on to Emmett Till's past, stagnant economies leaving our families cash. Raw sewage in the streets where the children play free. This is a full-scale structural emergency. I can't breathe, I can't drink, I can't look at the floor. They left the Delta suffocating down here below. The canary in the coal mine is starting to fall, but we're rewriting the blueprint to rescue them all. Yeah, you left us invisible, broke, and unlined, but the wealth is decentralized now by design. Step into the capital, 22-23. The city of Jackson is on its bending knee. 80% black population dropped down. Deferred maintenance, white flight striking the town. Systematic disinvestment broke the whole pipe. Flooding plus O.B. Curtis failure created the stripe. 6 weeks without drinking water right from the tap. A structural disaster right on the federal map. 600 million in emergency ARPA relief. 2 billion total needed just to settle the grief. But Jackson's not an anomaly. Read the blueprint I signed. It's a warning to every smaller town left behind. One single pump failure, one budget line cut, and the whole population is left stuck in a rut. Port Gibson, Fayette, and Marks are in line. Older and smaller, underfunded by design. Schuler's got 92% black on the track. Shelby's at 95%, catching the flag. Glendora has zero infrastructure to show, but C&D strategies is shifting the blow. VMDQ is underfunded, capacity's low, but BioCleaner's lower O&M berries than no. 459 million in federal bill cash. We're bypassing the red tape to settle the clash. USDA rural development grants under 10 grand. Delta regional partnerships cleaning the land. Yazoo and